I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Tau 2 from Rolling Square. It is a very simple concept and a really useful product. Let's have a look. The Tau 2 is an emergency charger for your phone, but it also doubles as a key ring or a key holder for your phone. So you'd go ahead and you see on the top here, there's a spot for your keys. You go ahead and put your keys into there, and you then can carry this everywhere you go. Super easy to use and super useful, of course. But before we look at how it works, let's take a look how you would actually charge it. So the idea would be that this piece here would hang on the wall in your house, and when you get home, you'll take your keys and the Tau 2, line it up, and just like that, you'll be charging. That charges this battery in here. And when you're ready to go, you just pull it right off the wall and you have your keys with you everywhere you want to go. The Tau 2 is so small, it fits in the palm of your hand. It's smaller than the AirPods Pro case. It is really easy to take with you, and it's a 2000 milliamp battery, so it is a great emergency battery to have with you. And when you do need to charge your device, just pull off the top here where your keys would be, and then on either side you have cables for both iPhone and Android, or newer iPhones, of course. And it's just like that. You just plug it in and you're ready to go, and it's charging up. But it doesn't stop there, because the Tau 2 also can work as a digital business card. With its built-in NFC tag or using a QR code provided, you can turn this into your digital business card. So when you're out on the road and you do meet somebody just randomly, and you want to share your contact information, it's just a matter of sharing your digital ID that way. That feature also works really well for lost mode. That means if you do lose your keys or misplace it, someone could find it using the digital ID and actually get in touch with you and contact you to let you know that they have your keys. Very, very useful. If you find yourself in that emergency situation, your phone is dead and you need to get some power into your phone, whether it be to make a phone call, call an Uber, call a friend, maybe just run your GPS so you know how to get home, the Tau 2 is that perfect accessory. It makes a lot of sense for everyone to have with them at any point, because you never know when your phone battery is going to die. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.